open for business, people. This is it, people. The Busker food truck. I can't believe it's happened. How lucky am I? Like, yeah, I'm a bit blown away, to be honest. Like, how cool is it? It's a perfect space, and it's everything that I asked for. The guys managed to sort out the power supply, so we're all sorted. Oven works, hob works, lights work. In here, I've got a load of my electrics, how to turn the lights on. There's a water pump in there, so we've got fresh water in here, and then that's pumped through, and then wastewater in there, fire extinguisher, fire blanket. It's got the perfect workflow. I can cut and prep here. My fridge is in, so I can just pull my ingredients out. Hand sink here, cook here, and then I've got the amazing Neff oven that's got that slide away door that just, when you're tight for space, that really works. But it's actually a top of the range steam oven, so you know, I've got everything mobile. And then they've sorted out the lights on old copper piping. Like, what a wicked piece of detail. And then you can wash up, you can prep veg, you can do everything here. And then once it's all done, you can serve this way. And it's like, I've got all these drawers here for all the equipment that I need. Like, it's just perfect. And then I can just sit on the end here and edit.
What do you think?
I'm blown away. It's like...
You like it?
Yeah, like the quality of the finish is just amazing. And like you everything I asked for, you've done. You've given me all these power sockets, which are really important, and then like a hand wash and a double wash, and then a fridge, an oven, and a hob.
We have spoiled you, haven't we?
You have, yeah.
We have totally spoiled you. It's
Really
like
happy.
Christmas.
Yeah, no, it is.
It's like Christmas.
It is. It's like all the Christmases and the birthdays put together. It's weird though, because it's like for a really long time, this is what the guys that and the girls that follow the channel wanted, and this is what I wanted, and then it's a little bit weird because it's like, now I've got it.
Well, it's been in your head for so long, and we've brought it to life, I guess.
Yeah, no, totally,
and
totally.
We've been thrilled to help you.
Oh,
it's been
good
a
on you.
great journey.
Good,
We've loved
absolutely.
it. And I can't wait to see it on the road.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. And we've got our first event tomorrow.
Exactly.
Right, I'm off to one of London's best bakeries to pick up a load of brioche buns because I'm taking the Busker van to Street Food Live to show it off. Jackie baby, good morning. Oh, look at that. Then look at this. It's got all these cabinets and they're just completely apart, right? Like it's got all the brackets. And because the wheels are on the outside, then it slides down. So like you can be on the same level as your customers.
It's an amazing space.
Right, chef, we've got 300 beef burgers to crack on with. Let's do it. That first event was great, absolutely smashed it. Can't wait to take it on the road, super excited. I'm a little bit nervous about driving it, if I'm honest. Like, I'm fine taking it forward. It's backwards is when the problems come. So if you've got any tips on how to reverse a trailer, then let me know in the comment box below. And then what are we going to name it? Well, so many of you said in the comment box, just keep it simple and call it Food Busker. So that's what I've done. So, increase the peace, spread the love, hit the bell notification, and that'll let you know when the new videos are out. Subscribe to the channel, increase the peace, share the video, and I better hit the road. Nice one, guys. Thanks a lot.